So I just saved myself a little over $100 because I saw a diagnostic tool on the internet that I managed to make myself.
Ka-chow!
So let's go check it out. I know you guys really never get to see my very messy garage, but here it is in the background. We're actually gonna go look at the very basic components it took to make a smoke machine. Okay, let's go. Let's not trip over anything. And we are going to slide in between the motorcycles here. Slide. So what is a smoke machine used for? A smoke machine can be used to find small air leaks or cracks in, like any of your air hoses at all where there's unmetered air entering the system. So let me show you what I created based off of watching everybody else's YouTube videos. Now this is a pretty basic system. So I wanted to take a paint can and I put one of my old socks in there with a piece of wire, and the jumper cables are used basically to create heat. So electricity travels through the wire, creates heat, which actually heats up the sock, which just has mineral oil or baby oil on it. Now when the lid is on there, basically you attach the bicycle pump to this bicycle stem and it forces the smoke to come out the other end. So I've seen plenty of designs. Everybody does it a little bit differently, but hopefully this will save you about $100 in making your own. I spent about $10 on the jumper cables at Harbor Freight, and I spent $10 on a paint can at Home Depot. The rest of it I kind of had just lying around. So if you have one of those pesky codes like a P0456 for a small EVAP leak, this is going to be one of those tools to help you figure out where that is and how to fix it. In my next video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to make that smoke machine for $20. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Girlie Garage offers automotive education and consulting. Feel free to pop on over to my website if you have any questions. The link is in the description.